So this is a test. I'm going to do this quickly. If we were to go back in time, we have hit these previous day highs. London manipulation. Actually starting from down here. London manipulation. Have a fair value gap right here. So we are waiting for a break of structure, I guess. Well, we gotta wait for the market to open too. So market has just opened. So we've already had a break of structure in the previous session, or I guess this is still technically New York session. We're going to be targeting, I guess, London lows. Now we should see a form of manipulation when the session opens, because that is normal. See first 1 minute candle. I guess it's already taken out these highs. It might be going for the high that it's created previously. This is technically an order block too. If we're going to be using those. The up before the down, which I guess we just hit that. So technically we should be good to buy. But if I'm sticking to the strategy, I'm going to wait for continuation to the downside, that being for value gap equilibrium. Don't need to do that. And based off this next candle, oh, if we close below this fair value gap, I think we'll be in. We've had a break of structure. I think it's time to go in. This may not be technically correct. But I mean, that right there is a major break of structure. And this is the main one right here. Don't need to do that, just need to take profits, can be these highs. And, oh, we'll be targeting these lows here. Stop loss up here. Very quick short position. This will be a nice little. Could even be targeting these lows too. Yeah, the previous day lows. Oh, don't want to adjust that just yet. So we could go for the previous day low, but I'm not going to get that cocky. So just be a little 1 to 2. I mean, realistically, we can also actually just target these highs right here. See what happens. I didn't even mark out for value gap, so I am technically doing this incorrect. Oh, this here. This could technically be one giant one, but I don't like marking them out like that. Okay, so that technically isn't very good. Move this out of the way, because we do have this bad boy right here. As long as it doesn't close above that for value gap, we should be in it. And of course, trailing stop loss to these previous highs. There's a close below this, so this is gone. Once it reaches this one, I will adjust my stop loss to maybe these highs. And I forgot to adjust my take profit, but we will see if it reaches these weekly low slash previous day low. Yep, we hit it. So I'm just showing myself that I can technically be a good trader. I just followed everything to a T for a 1 to 4.63 ratio. And of course you are adjusting your stop loss as you go down. So I would have taken profit at these previous day lows. But just out of curiosity, let's see if it takes out these. Nope, if we zoom in, are we going to see a break of structure of any sort? Oh my god. Yeah, that can be a break of structure right here, I believe, right? I mean, we closed above these highs. Oh. But then, yep, we did sweep. Wow, what are we sweeping right now? Okay, and then it just does some continuation around this price point, and then it's probably going to go back up. But that's all I wanted to show myself. I learned the strategy there. That was, I think, pretty good for myself.